continues to have lower inventory, but there are more homes this February than last year at this same time. It's Friday, February 28th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Fewer homes went under contract at this report than last year at this same time, yet the list-sold ratio for homes that did sell is up over last February. Annapolis inventory remains at 125 properties for sale this report. 27 properties are coming soon. 22 homes went under contract in 8 days this report. 21 homes sold for 100% list-to-sold ratio and in 11 days. Rentals fell again this week to 36 homes, but remain at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 28, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.